Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily disable app notifications in Windows 11. Now, if this video will be helpful, what you can do is just write down below in comments that this video helped you for other people when they would come here. So you want to go on the bottom next to the search and right click on a start and then go to settings. Now, in the moment when you're going to be in settings, you want to click on under sound notifications and you want to disable them. And as you can see, all the notifications are going to be disabled. What you can do also is you can disable specific, allow notifications to play sound, show reminders, show notifications lock screen, and then turn everything off. Completely up to you how you what you choose, but this is where you can find it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. This is how you can disable app notifications in Windows 11.